Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome, this is your first time here. This is your first time here and you like what you see, why don't you consider subscribing? It doesn't cost you anything and there's new videos every Wednesday. I bought this Cornucopia. I feel like I do one of these every year, so this Cornucopia 2022. I got it at Goodwill for $1.99. I don't know why this is not $45 because you guys know how Goodwill is at the prices, but I saw it and I said, yep. So I grabbed it, and there's nothing inherently wrong with. I mean, it's a little fall cornucopia, but what would be the point of a video if I didn't redo it? And I'm okay with that because this has random glitter on it. Nothing else does. And then these leaves, they always remind me of like camouflage, and no. So I don't think they're glued in here. Well, maybe. I'm gonna take everything out. I don't think these are glued in here. Well, maybe. I'm gonna take everything out. This looks a little dated. There's not that foam in here. I don't know if you guys can. The foam only goes to like right here, like it's got a very small piece of foam in it, and I don't want to risk ripping. The foam only goes to like right here, like it's got a very small piece of foam in it, and I don't want to risk ripping all of that out. So I think I'm just gonna cut off. So my problem with these is that they never sit the way they're supposed to. Like, it's supposed to sit on these three things right here, but it doesn't. Or it can hang like this. This is normally when I'm designing something with a cornucopia. This is normally how I do it because I do things that go indoors. I mean, it would be. I mean, it would be nice if I could. I don't know. The flowers and leaves and everything that I'm using are all from Dollar Tree, I think. These dahlias. These are, I don't know, it's got 4th of July thing over it. These from 4th of July, I don't know. Leaves and coral, leaves in lavender, leaves in blue, leaves in the sneaky white, and a couple of little pieces of hydrangeas. Where, of course, I bought the one that didn't have all the flowers on. No big deal. It would be cool if I could get it to up like that, but the goal here is to try to design this so where if it wants to be on the table, it can, or it can be hung up with that. But I feel like I'm gonna have to pick a side. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. I have a skewer right here. Grabbing some glue out of my glue pot. This is just an electric sealant filled with glue. Because I don't have to do this whole thing, I'm just gonna put some glue in my glue gun. Okay. I really like these. I'm gonna try to go in and use mostly the otter color leaves. That should be enough to get me started. stem with a little bend, and it's on the door. I want it to be a full end back here, so. Yarn or something on there? I don't know what that is. I always go in first with that, whatever I want my dominant color to be. I really like that color blue leaves. No, there's no blue leaves in each, at least not this, but. Just, the shade of these, right. And then I think the purple. This stuff is hard, it's hard to stick through. Let me hold on for a second, because, I don't think that gets in the foam, it's just stuck in like a mess of green crap. And I like this is like a corally orange, and orange is the opposite of kind of both blue and purple, so. The opposite of blue would be like yellow, right? Purple would be orange. Purple would be yellow. Blue would be, I don't know. It's contrast, so. I want something right here, but I'm going to grab a piece or two of this kind of white, kind of pink. Yeah, see, if you're looking at it like this is not what's in the door. There's nothing right there. Maybe anybody ever remade this before, because it's like impossible to get that into here. I'm not going to get away with just doing two of these, because it's going to look off balance, so. One more. I'm kind of conflicted about these florals for $1.25. $1? Okay. $1.25? No, even with the extra quarter, they could have hold a couple of these florals up, but maybe there's stuff coming around later that will do just that. I think you could stop there and have it be really nice, but come on now. I don't think I want the leaves on here, so I'm gonna cut. I don't want to switch that thing too much. I have a tendency to do that when I'm working with like a form. Like instead of leaving it up, I'll push it all the way in. And then things tend to look a little crowded. Back here. I don't like working with this green stuff on here, but it is nice to not have to worry that every piece of film is covered. Business! Business! I think that's good. Do you want one more back here? Another pink leaf. I just don't want to stop this full, and then make sure I can actually get this in here. There we go. I feel like it's a lot fuller now. A little more of a temporary palette, I think, at least. It would hang on the door. Like, this is a hanger back here. Or, look at that, y'all. Okay, well. Kinda? Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I usually don't sell stuff like that on Etsy, but I might just put it up there in an attempt to clean up my house a little bit. Please stay. I'm gonna glue. There we go. Book covers not included. So yeah. I like that color combination. My mom, when she saw it, she was like, I don't know, but yeah, that works for me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some pictures, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Bye.